everybody, this is Anime Game Otaku 95. Last episode, I did some of the side missions, but then I decided that I should go back for the side mission much later because I'm gonna need some more gadgets in order to complete those side missions. And during the main mission, Wacken met a small little yellow robot named well, actually, her first name was kind of KT number something, but then Wacket gave her a nickname named Kit. So Kit is kind of like a gold version of Clank. Like, she's a robot, but I don't think she's that defective because during one of the fight, she turned herself into a big robot and she pulverized nefarious warships. And it was kind of cool, but then she almost injured Wacket, but then she managed to control herself. And she kind of first thought that Wacket was going to get scared, but then Wacket allows her to join on his adventure, so now Wacket and Kit are going to go to the different planets next. So what's going to happen next? Let's go play. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Pixar Prime in order to go find some peace to make some Dimensionator.
And blast off.
Let's go.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No?
What do you mean?
No!
Oh, you mean that kind of no. Oh, this place has been destroyed. Aw, man. Well,
What happened here?
I am uncertain.
yeah, I am uncertain too, so we better go have it. Whoa!
Now, the Blizon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your Blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners. Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
No.
Lockdown? Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first!
Come on, come on, come on.
What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the tumbling barriers between
Whoa.
dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Facility damage warning. Safety lockdown engaged.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimensional thing?
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizar's still intact,
Still intact. How do you...
Whoa.
Force? Please on! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizon crystal.
Yeah, let me just grab this crystal and then we could go move on. Oh, aim and then... Whoa! Okay, I did not know I could do that. Whoa. Uh-oh. Come on.
Rather painful.
Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
I need to find. They need to know.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
We can look into it after.
Do not panic and find a single file line at all food stalls. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Perhaps we can reset the lock.
From where? Oh, I see it.
Aha! Got it.
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe rule of
Okay,
Has
see.
destroyed the bridge.
I guess I'll go this way.
Lollipop boys are kinda cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
Uh-oh.
Bro, where are we? Who cares? We're at the Lawback!
We got company.
More goons for left.
Your most elite division!
Really?
Now, how about I switch my weapons?
A hit.
Honestly, kinda cute.
Oh, I think there's one more. Let's just switch my weapons.
Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
Yeah, way to pull at it.
Please keep your hands and feet
Whoa,
inside.
oh, okay.
Avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
Yeah, let's go find the drill.
Ah, this is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The chief engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa.
Really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzard in my dimension, this one could be next. Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
You looking for the chief engineer? Use that safety lift to get to the site.
Thanks.
Dimensional damage seems
Uh-oh.
to be getting worse.
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way. There. That must be the chief engineer.
hear that?
Hear what?
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the Blazon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully.
Yeah, maybe that weird stranger we talked to.
Let's go.
Okay.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Safety first. Try not to trip, slip, or break anything.
Was it too much to ask that we be able to find phase quartz without dodging earthquakes and lava?
There! One of my bots is up there! It's... awesome.
Whoa!
We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick.
Okay.
Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. The Blazon. Strike. Strike now.
Whoa. Okay, we're back to the destroyed area of this place and uh-oh. Yeah, looks like I'm going to have to use this.
Finally. A decent connection. I need to warn you about it. Very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed. We should be cautious.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right. Another bot. On it.
Come on, come on, come on.
Wouldn't give up yet. It'd be great if you did.
Whoa!
Whoa, that was close.
Yeah, good thing it was behind the glass. Okay, I need to figure out how to get that way, so...
Stop and listen. He's damaged. We will destroy. You don't need it, that battery.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
I still can't get over there, so... What do I do now? Okay, I'm back to this area, so... Oh, maybe in the other dimension that glass gets weak. Let me see. Oh, there we go.
Identified non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer. Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yeah, I better go back outside.
You see something up? That's not a bro. That's
Uh-oh.
Yep, still me.
Yeah, let me go change my weapon. Come on, come on, come on.
Bros, 0, none. Bros. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet worked for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Whoa! Well, that was cool. Okay, now let's hit this.
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones.
Uh-oh.
100% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Yeah, must be a way. Well, that's not gonna cut it.
We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something.
Yeah, so how are we gonna move? Well, the only way to do it is move that crystal to go to the other side. But the question is, how do we do it? Oh, let's see. I guess I could destroy this hooky thing. Oh, okay. There you go.
The crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to that crystal. And then we're gonna go walk here.
Really ruined the safety record.
Engaging charming access. Turn into chief engineer with important message.
Oh, Sam. Always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Uh-oh, where?
Don't worry, I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room.
Oh no.
The ceiling. I always forget to look up.
Uh-oh.
Location. Unknown. Life forms. Unknown. Protocol destroyed.
From my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
How am I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension and these roaches scratching my mind?
Ow.
We're lucky this time.
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
On!
Come on, come on. We're not outnumbered anymore.
Longer detected. Security wall disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. You guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
That can't be good.
That dimensional
Uh-oh.
anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Clank, I just saw Ratchet. On Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great. Thinner than I imagined, but appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the meta-terminal.
Okay, so looks like there's another puzzle that I need to do.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Yeah, how do I get rid of that wind?
Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
So what is in that book of yours?
Oh, the most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation. Ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
I am certainly down with this. I am blocked. I think that saw can help clear the path.
Okay, that path is cleared, but I still need to figure out a way how to get rid of that fan.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book, that's a Kerchu tooth, that's a Terraclaw love poem.
Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, looks like I complete this level. There you go.
I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank. Only 2 more to go.
2 more? I wonder what the next 2 is gonna be about.
How are things going with
hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? Time's so out of touch.
Okay, I need a...
Interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
What can I do? Oh, I'm supposed to get that thing down. Okay. Let me just go back up. Get that red thing back. Let's see. Nope. Nope.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
You think? Yeah, I don't think I could reach it from there. How do I do it? Okay, I think I know what to do now.
Things
There you
are about
go.
to get pretty heavy.
If I may offer one thought, perhaps it would be beneficial to explore the area for more spheres.
Okay, now better go get the red one back. So I could stop the smashing thing so it won't crush me.
My possibilities are a visual representation of my mind, trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything.
Ah, that thing's in the way. Well, not for long.
Is blocking the path. If I could just find a way.
There you go.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that.
Okay, I just need one more to go.
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about it.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
Yeah, and they're both are wombats, so this could be. Ow! Ah. Great. Let me try again. There you go.
Little pick-me-up.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Yeah, I know there's more spears, so...
Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger.
What should I do about the wind? Oh! It makes those robots heavy! But, I don't think this is kind of good enough. Let's see. Oh. Okay, at least I got this area cleared. Let's see. Maybe if I put them here. they jump over there? Uh-oh, what's a blue one? Oh! Okay, I forgot. I could switch. Okay, there you go.
The Blizzard anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
Thank you.
No, thank you. And remember,
Confidence is the key.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Yeah. I sent the top minds on the team to fix the tube, and they got sick. That did it. Hydraulic supply restored.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Drill, get our phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done. Hey, look, the bro squad is back.
Uh-oh. Attack the bros, bro.
I cannot help thinking.
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Yeah, I think the failures destroyed this area for a reason. Whoa! Okay, I did hit that purple thing by accident. Oh!
First earthquakes. We thought, okay, lockdown.
Uh-oh. Whoa, Brock. I'm getting dizzy. That way. I guess that way. Oh no. Jump! Jump!
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Wow. It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really?
Man, that drill's big.
Specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Okay, let's just...
Lombax robot, brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen!
Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rifts damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? But we just turned it on.
Oh no.
Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Oh, you bad. Jeez!
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
How to change a part?
Okay, I'm guessing now the drill is responsible for what happened to the other blades on another dimension, so we gotta prevent it from doing it again.
I should have upgraded a faster service.
No.
Phase
Oh.
quartz suspended in the drill beam.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please be careful.
Careful, it's not a good thing for me. Uh-oh.
You guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly.
Ah, I gotta need more bullets. Let's see. What's this do? Okay, that thing was useless.
That is the last of them.
Better get more health.
Bad news, everybody. I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death. And have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship, big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or crashing
Hmm.
into the drill, it could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally, I'd say that's a
Okay, I guess that's a good idea.
this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it.
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend Jim. Please do
Ah.
sign. As I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
And I died. There you go. Whoa! Get the gem!
Oh, no.
Well,
Nah.
maybe it's not as bad as it. I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
Yeah, let's go.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard. How about we fix up this space quartz and save the universe?
Uh-oh.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lives. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being cut into a formless void. Ah, false. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... Ah! I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big.
That's a lot of money.
So totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving. The Fixer better be ready to fix some phase quartz.
Yeah, so let's just go to this planet. Maybe we could find someone who could fix a jam.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes.
Yeah, and I better hope he's not a phony.
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Hey, come on. Whoa.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Yeah, let me go refill.
Doom is now available. Can I say more?
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
Yeah, maybe there's a reason why Ratchet is afraid. I mean, I think he's afraid to know the truth of what happened to the other wombats. Like, the doctor could be that all the wombats are officially dead and he and Rivet are really the last ones.
Where are the smelting pits? Across the canyon.
But there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise.
No.
Watch out!
Uh-oh. Oh, I could hit the... Whoa!
Better jump! Here comes another one.
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift. How about
This
that,
was quite
huh?
Ooh!
very impressive. impressive.
I just found myself my 4th gold bot.
That was unpleasant.
Here comes the jump!
Oh dear.
No.
The system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on!
Ah!
I am afraid.
And I died.
Exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Yep, and we'll be dead.
Woo! Made it!
Oh no. Here comes the pirates. Arr.
Oh no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for
Their shield.
Can't let them get that hurl shot!
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea! Shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
I adore the way you fight, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
No. Okay, I guess I need to hit them.
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down.
Oh, let's see. Is that the horse shot?
We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate chasm and find a fixer.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, my spine!
There's a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Molinoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
We're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
Whoa!
So tenacious! Je t'adore! Our meeting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for lighting things up!
Yeah. Keep laughing, Pierre.
No. How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the
Like a
fixer will
lot?
finish them off. Then again, we seem to be
let's see. I guess I'll go this way. Whoa!
Incoming.
Uh-oh.
Your physical meddling is most annoying, Livet. Why must you always get in my way?
Ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story. Hello, everyone.
Come on, Klein. No.
Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner.
Uh-oh.
Are we going to dance?
No, we are not.
Come here.
Come on. Ow.
There be no flank for you to walk here. Your end lies with me.
Payback's coming.
Oh no. I need to get my health. Doesn't want health.
What's he for trying to steal what is ours?
What's yours?
And I died. Okay, before I could take revenge on that big robot guy, I'm gonna go stop and take a break. So until next time, this is Anime Game Otaku 95.